Are you thinking about self-publishing your book? Here's the 4 types of people who should invest in indie publishing. Hi there, and welcome to Journey to Kidlit. My name is Brooke Van Sickle, and I'm the founder around here. Have you been considering self-publishing or indie publishing for your book? It's a huge trend right now, and it's no surprise because it's really easy to do. However, it's not suited for everybody. Here are the 4 different types of people who should probably self-publish their book. The person who should self-publish their book is someone who already has a network of dedicated fans. If you've been working a really long time to build a platform, then you already have built-in buyers that love you and would love to buy a book from you. So there'd be no reason to go through a traditional publisher when you could just produce it yourself. The second type of person is someone who has a specific date or deadline in mind for their book. If you don't already have an agent or editor set up, it might be really hard for you to traditionally publish your book in time, especially if you have something big like, say, the 19th Amendment anniversary. You might need to self-publish your book in order for it to come out on time. The third type of person who should self-publish their book is someone who has really great marketing skills. Although every single author should know how to market their book, it's especially important if you're going to self-publish. If you don't know how to tell people that your book exists, they're not going to know to read it. And the fourth person is someone who has a very specific book idea in mind, or is at least willing to put forth all the work and costs that goes into self-publishing upfront. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to waste your reader's time or lose out on potential fans because you didn't take the time to create a high-quality book. I just went down the road of indie publishing and started my own publishing house, and I'm really excited. If you fall in one of those 4 categories, you should join me because self-publishing is very rewarding. However, if you didn't find yourself falling into one of those 4 categories, that's okay. You might need to consider traditional publishing, or you just might need to do a little more research and to make sure that self-publishing truly is the way you want to go. And for more publishing tips, visit our website at journeytokidlit.com and subscribe to our channel. Because I'm also indie publishing, I'm going to be sharing a lot more tips and tricks on what it takes to self-publish your book. As always, happy writing!